Let me show you a very unique style of tteokbokki in Seoul. It's called Jjajang Tteokbokki. Let's go check out this rare style of tteokbokki. What makes Jjajang Tteokbokki different is it's made with a black bean paste sauce instead of the traditional gochujang base. In this video, I'm going to show you Wanjo Jjajang Tteokbokki. Before we check out the original Jjajang Tteokbokki, I'll explain to you jjajangmyeon, or black bean noodles. This bowl of noodles is filling, cheap, and the first thing that you need to do is mix up the sauce with the extra long noodles.
You have to mix it with the two hands. Jjajangmyeon is the most common Korean Chinese food. I almost ate it every weekend when I was young.
The sauce has chunks of pork and onions, and it's super hearty. This is the spicy version. Oh my god, I see the spicy peppers. It's filled with red pepper flakes and chunks of gochu, or peppers. A little bit. Choco. Let's head back to Wanjo Jjajang Tteokbokki so we can show you this delicious tteokbokki. We sat down and ordered the Jjajang Tteokbokki set. This set comes with, of course, Jjajang Tteokbokki and a bunch of fried things that they put in the sauce that we will describe later. You also get a couple of eggs, and we chose odeng, or fish cakes, as well.
This is Jjajang Tteokbokki, and I will show you what's inside. Yeah, this is yakimandu and gimmari. Wow.
What's gimmari?
They put noodle inside and then they wrap it up with the seaweed. And then they fried it. So we call gimmari. And of course they have dog. And they also have odeng, which is fish cake, and this is my favorite. It's sweet and a little bit spicy at the end, so it's very unique flavor that I never tasted.
I'm gonna try this jjajang sauce. So it doesn't taste like the normal jjajang sauce in jjajangmyeon. It's much sweeter, and they add gochujang because it's a little spicy. But it's addictive. They said to add some gochujang. This is pepper?
That's a lot.
Sorry.
Wasn't it so spicy after you added a lot of gochujang?
No, it made it perfect.
Oh, really? Wow, that pepper taste. Wow, it makes this tteokbokki amazing. Wow, I like the flavor of pepper. It's so yummy.
Oh, she took the whole bite.
Wow. So good. So good.
I'll just try a little soy sauce first. When I first came to Korea, fish cakes weren't really my thing. But now, after being with Choha, I've tried it more and more, and they're starting to grow on me. I'm gonna try it in the sauce now. are much better. How do you like that?
Show me.
It's empty inside. Fill it with sauce. Nice and crunchy.
This is a really unique place in Seoul.
Odeng soup always reminded me when I first came to Korea, I would get some street food.
Yeah.
And while they're making your street food, they would give you a cup of odeng soup. So I always have those memories when I drink odeng soup.
Do you still have a memory of this food in Korea?
Yeah, I would use my horrible Korean and say, "Gogi mandu juseyo." That was the only street food that I knew how to order. Don't forget to check out the first video in the tteokbokki series. Also, we're gonna have more to come. We're gonna show you some unique styles, some basic styles. We're gonna try and cover everything you need to know about tteokbokki. So subscribe to Connect Korea. Check out my channel, Full Belly Travels, and thanks for watching.